Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video in our Vlogmas series. So today I'll be making an all-purpose marinating seasoning. It can be prepared ahead of time, so especially now in the holiday season, you'll have it ready to season any of your meat that you'll need for your Christmas Day dinner. So the ingredients that will be used will be listed in the description section. We're using olive oil, garlic, ginger, pimento, Scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, salt, onion, and thyme. So if you'd like to see how the all-purpose marinating seasoning is done, then stick around. Let's get into the process. So to begin the process, we'll be chopping all the ingredients into small pieces. So for this section, you'll see where I'm dicing the onion, and the same step will be repeated for the scallion, where we'll be dicing it into small pieces. So I'd gone ahead to wash and dice all the ingredients. Here you see where I'm doing the ginger. I'd already done the pepper, the thyme, and the garlic. So we'll now move on to the next step of preparation, where I'll be adding the ingredients to the blender. So once all the ingredients have been added, we'll just proceed to blend. Occasionally you'll see where I use the spoon to get the products further down to the blade for even blending. Once that had completed blending, I proceeded to add the remaining ingredients I had to the blender and continued the process. Once the mixture has blended to a texture of your comfort, then you would have completed the process. So I have 3 jars in which I will be attempting to fill with this mixture. So there we have it, guys, our all-purpose marinating seasoning made from all natural Jamaican products. This will be then stored in the refrigerator and used as needed for our Christmas Day preparations. So I also had some peppers left over that weren't used. I currently have a tree outside. If you watched my gardening with that video, you would see that that tree is about 6 feet tall and it's currently bearing in excess. So what I am doing here, I'm trying a method to preserve similar to what we do when you're making pickled pepper. So I'm just adding the pepper to a container and using vinegar as a preservative. I'll definitely update you on this in my next cooking video for this Vlogmas series to let you know how this worked out for me. So guys, let me know down in the comment section what you think about this all-purpose marinating seasoning. It is perfect for your preparation leading up to your Christmas Day dinner or any time of the year, Thanksgiving, Sunday dinners, or just your regular cooking of any meat. It definitely saves on time and of course will definitely add some great flavor. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed and learned something from it. And I hope that this will be something that you'll be adding to your routine as you do your preparations at home. Feel free to leave me a thumbs up, as well as if you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that the next time I post, you'll be notified. So guys, until next time, continue to be your most authentic self and stay naturally. Bye bye.